Villapuerte Danieli Rose Ann Lee with High Honors Silver Medal. Subject Proficiency Awards, Best in Filipino, Best in Mathematics, Best in Araling Panlipunan, Best in FCLPE, and Best in Computer Education, Gold Medals. Co-Curricular Award in Mathematics, Gold Medal. Co-Curricular Award in Literary, Gold Medal. Co-Curricular Award in Araling Panlipunan, Bronze Medal. Once again, the academic awardees with high honors, congratulations!
So just keep on dreaming, one day you'll see. You can wish for the world, but still what'll be will be. It ain't always easy, ain't always smooth. Life ain't about whether you win or lose. And they say that dreams don't always come true, but that's okay. I'll keep dreaming anyway.